In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox on macOS. First, go to the link in the description and download VirtualBox for Mac by clicking on OS 10 hosts right here. Then go to the second link in the description to the official Microsoft site and download the Windows 10 ISO of the language you want. Once it's done, install VirtualBox and open it. Click on New, name it whatever you want, select the folder where you want to save the VM. Set the type to Microsoft Windows and the version to Windows 10 64-bit. Set the RAM to whatever you want and create a virtual disk image. Set it to be dynamic and set the size to at least 20 gigs and hit Create. Then select your VM and click on Settings. Go to System and Processor and give it another core. Go to Display and set the video memory to max and go to Storage and click on Empty, and then on the side click on the DVD icon and select your Windows 10 ISO that you downloaded previously. Then hit OK. Then click on the green Start button. When it boots up, click on Install, select I don't have a product key, then select the version of Windows you want. I'll go with Windows 10 Home. Then click on Custom Install and select your virtual hard disk. Then hit Next and begin the installation. Once it's booted to the welcome screen, go through the setup as you normally do. And now you have Windows 10 running on VirtualBox on macOS. If you found this helpful, consider hitting that like button and subscribe for more.